Bitch, you know it's Lil Ball. Bitches Lil Ball and Perry. I keep them hoes like a fairy. My hair be red like a cherry. All of them niggas they know. All of them niggas they know me. All of them niggas they know us. Them niggas they wanna dance. Damn, bitch, you know it's Lil Ball. Bitches Lil Ball and Perry. I keep them hoes like a fairy. My hair be red like a cherry.
What's up, guys? It's Jamie here today. Today we're going in a construction site. Well, just I am right here. So we're gonna do it with Jeremy, but Jeremy's not here. So it's Thursday, so they might come. So I don't know. When the hell I get up on the roof? There we go. This is mint as. You can see like everything from up here. Mate. This is lit as fuck. Yo. Okay, gonna get down now because I heard someone say oi. I don't know if it was to me, but I heard someone say oi. So I'm just gonna get down just in case it was to me and they like call the cops or something. So this is gonna be a lit as house when it's made. So go through the way we came, through all the concrete and that, and the steel. Okay guys, so that oi noise was a false alarm. It was just someone up the road just talking to a little kid because they ran up on the road. So yeah.